Welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the cards with you. We have the Wheel of Fortune. This is gorgeous. We have the Sun. We then have two cards. So we've got the Seven of Cups, and I just wanted a bit more clarification, and I pulled the Eight of Cups. And then finally we have the Page of Wands. Let's have a look. So the Wheel of Fortune, things starting to turn around. Now, what's just dropping in is there's a real connection here with abundance and prosperity and wealth, because this card can connect to all things money and financial. And so it does feel like for some of you, something's happening this week that is turning in your favour, that's going to make a difference to your financial position. The money, the money that you get in, the income, it could be salary, that sort of stuff. The money that you're earning can also connect to windfalls as well. But I just feel, and I don't often get this with this card, but when it drops in, I think it's important to share it with you. But it just feels like abundance, but very much connected to money, wealth and prosperity this week for many of you. Tables turning. This talks about if it's been really, really tricky and really difficult for some of you, then things starting to open up, things starting to change. You're looking at your life, or maybe an aspect of your life, and you're saying, okay, I can see now how this is going to get better for me. Might not be instant, but it feels like it's turning around for you. And this also represents good luck and good fortune generally. So yes, attached to the abundance, but things finally starting to feel better and easier for you. We've then got the Sun, which is gorgeous. And this can just relate to, when they talk about the sunny disposition, happy, blissed out, joyful, and like, yay. This is what this is. So for some of you, you might just be in that space, feeling really happy and joyful and sunny and delightful. This is hope and optimism as well. In fact, actually, guys, this is also success and good luck and good fortune. So you do, you have a lot of energies this week where if you're looking for something to happen, or an answer, or green light, or go ahead, you're waiting for a letter or phone call, it could be this week, because this is good luck and good fortune. It can also connect to the things in the picture here very strongly with this particular card. So the Sun representing travel. So for some of you, you might be travelling with work or pleasure. We've also got the child and baby here. So there might be some wonderful, happy, joyful connections with babies and children. And then we've got the horse, so the animal connection here. And again, very positive, very uplifting. We've got the Seven of Cups with the clarifier, the 8. Now, when you get the numbers, that it's like a run, isn't it? It goes from 7 to 8 in the same suit. It means that there is some movement, some progression. You're moving forward. Now, this represents your dreams, your ideas, your goals, your priorities. And sometimes, occasionally, it can come along with a bit of lack of clarity, a bit of, not really sure what to work on first. I've got so many things on my mind, so many objectives, so many dreams and goals I want to achieve, just not sure what one to do. So the 7 can be a little bit like that, but I think for many of you it won't be, because we've got the clarifier, the 8 of Cups, meaning that there is progression with your goals, meaning that there is movement with your dreams, your highest ideals. And with this 8, it also is suggesting that yes, there's movement towards your highest ideals and goals and dreams. At the same time, it's allowing you to turn your back on things that you were done with. And this is the 8 of Cups. So turning your back, can you see the picture of that person walking away back towards us, and they're saying, I'm done with that. Whether, oh, sorry, just bang my, bang my elbow on the table. Whether there's, you know, a person, a situation, a country, where you live, how you, whatever it is, you're like, done with it. I'm now moving in a different direction. So I'm now moving away from that. All positive stuff. Page of Wands is talking about, I mean, I love this. This is right at the beginning of some sort of change. So change is definitely in the air for some of you. Now with the wands, could be work, business, enterprise, things that you're excited about, passionate about. But this is good news coming in, some sort of good news, some happy news, some welcome news. It's going to be exciting. You're going to feel uplifted with this, especially with the wands energy, because it's a very fiery energy, and it's like something coming in and you're like, yes, oh, this is amazing, this is incredible. Now this was positioned next to the Seven of Cups, so I do feel this is absolutely what you want. This is what you've hoped for, what you've dreamed for, and here it is for some of you. Absolutely, here it is. So good news coming to you, and this is right at the beginning of the change, so things starting to turn around and move around, and you walking away from something where you're just done with it. You're absolutely done. I hope it's a really good week, and thank you so much for watching.